Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In the today's session, we are going to talk about something that everyone eagerly waiting this kind of video that is nothing but how to start coding as a beginner. Even some experienced professionals and who have career gap, those people also doesn't have any idea how to start coding. So starting the code can be a fun and rewarding experience. So I'm going to share you a few steps how to start coding if you are a entry level candidate. So let me share you something I have written some on whiteboard. First, you have to choose one programming language. In fact, there are many programming languages to choose. Okay, so such as Java, Python, JavaScript, and C++. Each language has its own strengths and weakness. So you have to choose a language based on your dream job and based on your interest. Okay, and that will be useful for the type of programming you want to do. And second one is after pick up any one programming language, you have to install the software on your desktop or laptop. Okay, that means you have to set up the your development environment where you have to practice this programming language. Okay, so depending on the programming language, you have to choose how to download and install the compiler or interpreter. So you will also need a text editor or IDE, that means integrated development environment, to write and run the your code. So examples for IDE, Eclipse or IntelliJ IDE for Java developers. Okay, and third one is you have to focus on basics. So once you are pick any one programming language and then you have to set up your develop environment. So this point is very important. Third one, you have to focus on to learn the basics. So start with the basics of programming, including variables, data types, control structures. There are many resources available online, including free tutorials and courses. You can learn these basics with free of cost only. Okay, so because who are strong fundamental concepts, those people definitely understand any programming language. They can easily understand advanced concepts as well. Okay, and fourth one is you have to practice coding. So the best way to learn how to code is by doing it. You have to start with simple programs. You have to start with simple programs and work your way up to more complex ones. So don't be afraid to make mistakes because uh, because that's a part of the learning process. So anyone can do mistakes during learning process. Okay, so by doing more and more, so by doing practice only, you can become perfect to learn coding. Okay, and then you have to join any community. So join a programming community such as Stack Overflow or GitHub, okay, or any other popular communities, or any other groups or communities. So these communities are full of developers who are willing to help and share their knowledge. Okay, and my final point is we have to keep learning because programming is constantly evolving field, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest developments. You have to read blogs or attend some conference and attend and do some group discussion with your colleagues or peers. Okay, and continue to practice coding to improve yourselves. Finally, I can say one thing: learning to code takes time and practice, but it can be fun and rewarding experience. Should have some passion to learn coding. You must have some consistency and patience as well to learn coding. So it takes some time. You may not become an expert in a night. So it takes a lot of time to become an expert in coding. I hope you understand how to start a coding as a beginner or fresher. Okay, so if you still have any doubts, please ping me in the comment section. I will reply to your queries. If you really feel this information or content is helpful, then don't forget to share to your friends who need this kind of information. Okay, so we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.